a political show of strength right at the Mangaluru airport. As AICC General Secretary Kesu Venugopal landed at the airport, Congress workers greeted him with loud chants of DK, DK. This comes as the DK Shivkumar camp is making its presence felt even before the Chief Minister's a big public event in the city. Now visuals from the airport right now show supporters rallying around DK, turning Venugopal's arrival into a mini power display. Meanwhile, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwar also downplayed any political messaging, saying that we are here for a major program in Mangalore for Narayan Guru. The Chief Minister has invited me and that's why we are going. Let's listen in to his statement.
Yeah, I'm going to Mangalore. The Sri Narayan Guru, related to Sri Narayan Guru, there's a program. So we all are going. Chief Minister, myself, Hari Prasad, all of us are going. So it's not a political program.
Around you see viewers that the slogans tell their own story. The DK camp signaling strength ahead of CM's public meeting, while at the same time, you also have a CM who's pushing for a great and grand welcome for KC Venugopal. So that's what the situation stands right now in Karnataka. My colleague Mohammad Wajula is joining me with more details on this. Waji, it seems like both the camps here, DK as well as the Chief Minister's camp, both are trying to woo the Secretary Kesu Venugopal. Give us more details.
Well, absolutely. KC Venugopal is the member of the High Command and he is in Mangaluru for a program. And as soon as he arrives, the DK slogans that were heard in Mangaluru is somewhere or the other a show of strength that was done by the supporters of DK Shivkumar. Whether it was instructed to them to do it or was it done to counter the Siddaramaia's strength display rally today is something that we are yet to confirm. But what we understand is that the tussle or the competition for the Chief Minister's seat is still going on, and the supporters are not ready to budge over here, and they made sure that they are able to showcase their desire about DK Shivkumar being the Chief Minister in front of the member of the High Command when he arrived for this program. So we will also be witnessing when Siddaramaiah arrives whether the show of strength that Siddaramaiah is planning to do here in Mangaluru, whether it plays in his favor or not.
Right, Waji. Also, both the camps have said clearly that it is the High Command that's going to take the decision. At the same time, we see efforts by both the camps to project themselves as the center of power. So help us understand right now, what are you picking up from your sources? Is there a rift between the two leaders or is it all settled at this time?
There is no rift between the two leaders because if you've seen their press conferences and the meeting that happened yesterday, they have both shown a united front since the time they've had a breakfast with Siddaramaiah and now at DK Shivkumar's house. What we see is the repercussions of the long 1.5 months long tussle that has been going on. Now you have supporters who want either of them to be continue to be chief ministers. DK supporters want that he should be given a chance, while you have Siddaramaiah supporter who want them to continue. So it is basically a support group that has now is continuing that fight which the leaders are not fighting.
It seems like the supporters have now become the louder voice in the room and the leaders themselves are in fact quiet on this tussle. Thank you, Waji, for joining us and giving us those details.